If the tube burners inside your grill are rusted out and shooting out large flames, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how to replace your burners and get your grill running like new again. The specific grill I'm repairing today is the Charbroil Commercial Series 4-burner grill, available at Lowe's and other hardware stores. First, I'll remove the grill plates. It helps to have some newspaper around to set them on when you take them out of the grill. Next, remove the flame shields, and now we can get our first look at the rusted out burner tubes. Now I'll carefully take out the carryover tubes, which are also in very poor condition. These tubes help channel gas to nearby burners for easier ignition. I'm going to clean and save these because I may or may not use them later. To remove the actual burner, I need to slide out the cotter pins on the ends of each burner. Save these pins because we're going to need them again when we install the new burners. As you can see, there's a lot of grease caked on the ends of my burners, so I'm going to need a screwdriver to help pry them off their mounts. And a closer look at the burner shows how bad they are and why the flames were shooting so high in parts of the grill. To completely remove the burner, take a flathead screwdriver and pry off the attached igniter. Take a quick look at the igniter to see if the replacement is necessary. Mine looks pretty good, so I'm going to be able to use these again. Now go ahead and remove the other burners by taking out the cotter pins and prying off the igniters. Once that's done, we're ready to install the new burners. In this repair, I'm using the Masterforge Universal Tube Burner. What makes this one universal is the ability to extend the tube from 12 inches to 17.5 inches. The kit comes with a bag of hardware, but in this installation, I'll only need one of the screws from this package. I'm going to lay out one of my old burners so I can measure out how much I need to extend the replacement tube. Now take a marker and draw a line on the tube so you know where to lock the length in. Now I'm going to do a quick fit of the burner into my grill just to be sure of the length. I can see that it fits perfectly, so now I'll need to lock the tube at that length with the smallest screw that comes with this kit. This is also a good time to adjust the opening of the Venturi tube opening. I set mine about halfway open to start with. Now I'm going to attach the igniter to the burner itself. Please note that the Masterforge burner doesn't have a groove for the igniter clip to attach onto, but the good thing is that the igniter will still clip onto the tube with no problem. With the igniter attached, I'll place the new replacement burner into my grill and test it out. So I see that the burner isn't lighting. I know the gas is on, but it still won't light. So after taking a closer look at my old burner and the new burner, I noticed that these holes on the bottom of the Masterforge burners is on the wrong end of the tube. They should be near the open end of the tube. So what I had to do was drill my own holes on the bottom of the tube. I didn't use any special drill bits to do this, but these holes are necessary for the gas to spread to the igniter so the burner can light. So I just drilled 3 holes on the underside of the burner that lined up with the last burner hole on the end of the tube. I tried to drill the holes as even as possible, but even if they're off a little bit, it still will be okay. Now, when I reinstall the new burner, it will light easily with the electric igniter. So now that I know the burner is working, I can go ahead and install the rest of the burners onto the grill. The final step is to reinstall the cotter pins to hold the new burner tubes in place. Once that's done, turn on the burners as usual and check your flames. They should have a nice blue color to them. You can adjust your flame by adjusting the size of the opening in the Venturi tube. And again, the goal is to have blue flames all the way across. I ended up not reusing the crossover tubes after I finished. They're not really necessary, but now I'll have to use the igniter on each burner I turn on. When your flames look like this, your grill is practically like new again.